It might have been.
That's what it was. Yeah, yep.
Yeah, you're probably right. Because it was only... You know that photo that you said was taken in October?
Uh-huh.
No, it wasn't.
It wasn't?
It was taken in August. Reread the post. Reread the post.
Wait, what? Hang on.
I didn't want to say anything because I didn't want to really like put doubts into your head.
Is that why you look so shocked when it
Yes. Because look.
Oh yeah, these pigs are from August.
And look, it's like it was in the same position.
It hadn't budged.
No, that's why I'm like, oh God.
There's the old Sterling up there.
Oh yeah. I know people will be mad if we don't show the Sterling, so there it is.
Oh yeah.
There are better pictures of it in Siren Enthusiast, whatever.
130 sucks. They should have gotten a new radio for the Sterling. It would have covered the town fine. Even better, they should have replaced it with a Thunderbolt.